Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I want to talk about how you can make lavender anti-aging facial serum right from the comfort of your home. Skincare is so much more soulful when you are conscious of the ingredients in your products. People use facial serums in their routines because they provide targeted treatment for specific skin concerns like wrinkles, dark spots, and acne. Yeah. So here today, serums are lightweight, as you can see or and it allows deep penetration and delivery of active ingredients more effectively than creams. So this is the reason no matter how you use your body cream, your skincare plugs will always recommend face serum for you. So they often contain hydrating and antioxidant rich ingredients that improve skin texture, protect against environmental damage, and enhance the efficacy of other skincare products you apply on your skin. And additionally, their lightweight feel makes them suitable for all skin types. All right, so you don't have to say, oh, my skin is dry, my skin is this. No way. So here I want to show you how you can make your own using a few ingredients you can easily find around you or in your local stores. You already know how the economy is biting and everything is going up. So all you need is just get those ingredients and make them in your home. All right, and making them from the comfort of your home will save you from harmful ingredients that many manufacturers don't list as their ingredients in their labels or on their labels. So learning how to make certain things will save you a lot. It will save your health, preserve your health, and at the same time preserve your money or save your money. So today I'm talking about lavender anti-facial serum. This offers several benefits due to the properties of lavender and other potential ingredients like apricot kernel oil that is rich in fatty acids and vitamin A, C, and E. Look at three mighty vitamins, and is readily absorbed into the skin. So we have another ingredient there called vegetable glycerin. This particular ingredient in this serum will provide excellent hydrating by attracting and retaining moisture in the skin, leading to a plumper, more youthful appearance. Okay, it helps soothe and smooth your skin, reducing irritation and the dryness at the same time. So additionally, it is non-comedogenic nature, makes it suitable for all skin types. Remember what makes it suitable for all skin type? It is non-comedogenic. Yeah. So including whether you have sensitive skin or you are acne prone skin, whatever, it suits you properly. So we have lavender essential oil in this ingredient. So this is mine. The lavender essential oil in facial serum provides anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits, helping to soothe irritated skin and prevent acne. Its antioxidant properties, antioxidant properties can protect against free radicals, the free radical damages, and anti-aging. Like when you are aging, it is helping you to retain. So when you are aging, it is helping you to retain your youthful look or your youthful glow. At the same time, whatever you are doing, don't forget to drink herbal teas. They are very, very important, and stick to citrus tea. Okay, so additionally, lavender oil promotes skin healing, improves skin tone, and at the same time, its calming aroma can reduce stress and enhance relaxation. So how do you make this lavender anti-aging facial serum? All you need to do is to bring the following ingredients to your table or anywhere in your home, but make sure that the instruments you are going to use, they are very, very clean. If care is not taken, I want you to please sterilize them. So all you need is apricot oil, which is about 29.58 ml or ml. Then in gram measuring, you have 26.92 gram. Then you bring your vegetable glycerin oil, which is about 7.39 5 mil or ml, then 9.32 gram. When you measuring in grams, then you have your lavender essential oil, about 0.5 mil or 0.44 gram, depends on what you are using to measure. Combine all the ingredients in a dark glass like this, then, or bottle, whatever, then mix properly, shake very well, like shake it, let it mix very well. Then use it 2 to 3 drops on your face and throat. You are good to go. So lavender anti-aging facial serum is easy to make, and this particular recipe has no atom of chemical, so you don't need to worry about skin damage. But at the same time, because of irritation, or let's say people that are allergic to, because of allergies, I want you to simply try batch by batch to see how it goes. But trust me on this, it really works for all skin types. You don't have to worry yourself a lot. So start making this yourself, especially those of you who cry so much about the economic problems in this country. We understand you, and skincare products are shooting off the roofs when it comes to pricing. Like sometimes when I buy, I cry. Things that I used to get for less than 30 or let's say 40k before, they are now over 100,000, and they are not stopping at all. So as you are watching this video, as I'm bringing you nice alternatives for your healthy skin, I need you to please help me do the needful. Help me subscribe, like, share with your friends, and at the same time, I'd like you to leave me a comment. Tell me how you feel about my videos, or if you really have any other concern, let me know. I am going to help you. And don't forget to patronize our products, our spices for your foods, our seasoning, our herbs, all for your foods. And they provide amazing color, taste, and flavor to your foods or favorite recipes. So don't forget our Chiptos teas. Chiptos teas are very nice. They are all 100% herbal, USDA certified, organic, kosher certified. They have a lot of certification. Our good manufacturing practice is top notch. Don't forget to subscribe today. Look out for all our products, our videos, and the rest of other things we do here. Thank you for coming over to watch and watch. Keep coming. See you. Bye bye.